Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to check driving record on FLHSMV to check your Florida driving record. Log in to your My DMV portal or use the driver license check feature to view your verified license status for free. For a more detailed record, visit the official FLHSMV driving record portal. Step 1. Visit the official FLHSMV driving record portal. Go to the Florida Highway Safety and Motor Vehicles FLHSMV website and sign in or create a My DMV account. Step 2. Choose record type. Select the type of driving record you need. The full record includes information on violations, suspensions, crashes, and accidents. Step 3. Enter driver info and pay fees. Provide your driver details and pay the applicable fee, $8 or $10 for electronic delivery. If you don't remember your driver's license number, FLHSMV customer support can help retrieve it by phone once payment is complete. Your driving record will be securely delivered online, and that's it. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.